So for the transcription assignment, I've chose this video regarding the Search Academy sign up on how to log in and access the online videos or lessons for the MVA program. And then first, um, I've looked up for some online transcript generator through ChatGPT and have chosen this one, the YouTube Transcript Extractor, just to give me a quick transcription of the video and also use ChatGPT to quickly clean up the transcript and remove the timestamp. And then after that, I've transferred the raw transcription in OTranscribe. And here in OTranscribe, I've manually checked the transcription and make sure that the words have been recorded or captured correctly. And then finally, I've transferred it to the Google Docs for proper formatting and again ensure that all the details have been captured correctly before the final submission.